Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Mars and Taurus. People with Mars and Taurus really like the finer things in life, like food and pleasure and sex. People with this placement do really well in artistic fields or careers. They're very energized to make money. They really want to have wealth and a nice house, nice clothes, the fine foods. They want to have a nice, comfortable life. Once they decide they want to do something, they usually follow through with it. They can also let anger build up instead of working through things in the moment. And they really need to be able to verbalize their anger. And sometimes they can drown their angers in things like food and addictions. And that is my interpretation of Mars and Taurus.